Hi guys, you're warmly welcome to a new episode in Mom's Buffet Food Review channel. Today I'm going to present a Sri Lankan type local healthy lunch meal. Aren't you subscribed channel? Subscribe and press bell icon. I also in channel Facebook and Instagram pages. Let's go to video.
Okay guys, now you can see today my lunch meal. It contain one main dish and five sub dishes. Okay, let's see what are the main dish and sub dishes. Today main dish is, you can see, white rice, and sub dishes are dal curry with coconut milk. Another sub dish is radish curry. Another is soya meat devil, and another sub dish is Kathurumurunga leaf salad. Oh, single mean Mallum. This last sub dish is egg, chicken egg omelet. Okay, let's talk about taste of today lunch. Contains sub dishes and main dish. When to consider taste of main dish, today main dish is white rice. White rice, because of white rice mainly contain starch. It have polysaccharide taste. And let's talk about taste in sub dishes. First we talk about taste in dal curry with coconut milk. It contain normal spicy taste and coconut milk taste. You can change spicy taste level as your flavor level. Let's talk about taste in soya meat devil. It mainly contain spicy taste and used in prepare spices taste well, and oily taste contain. When to prepare today soya meat devil use tomato, therefore it is therefore increased taste of soya meat devil today. Next talk about taste in radish curry. Normally it contain same spicy taste in dal curry. Because of because of add jackfruit seeds to prepare dal curry. No, radish curry. Therefore, sweet taste form in radish curry because of jackfruit seeds, and starch taste is form also that. Let's talk about taste in Kathurumurunga salad. It contains mainly plant leaf taste and coconut milk taste. Because of when to prepare these sub dish, we use coconut parts and salt taste form, and spicy taste few amount form because of green chili are used to prepare it. Let's talk about taste of egg omelet. It contains black pepper taste because of we use black pepper for spicy taste ingredient for prepare omelette. Also, it also contains salty taste. Okay, let's talk about nutritional and medicinal value in today sub dish. Today main dish and sub dishes. First we talk about nutritional value in main dish. Main dish mainly contain carbohydrate and additionally it contain few amount of plant fiber and vitamin. Mainly contain carbohydrate need to produce energy from cellular respiration in our body. Plant fibers are need to keep good health in gastro-digestive system in our body. Let's talk about nutritional value in sub dishes. First, we talk about nutritional value in dal curry. Mainly, dal contain protein. That proteins are essential to keep good health in our body. It also prepare. We use spices. That spices contain medicinal value. Uh, let's talk coconut. When to prepare dal curry, we use coconut milk. Coconut milk have good fat. That fats are need to keep good health in our body and good for our not bad in our heart. Let's talk about medicinal value in uses spices. We use turmeric powder. The turmeric powder have germ killer ability. It protect our body from bad diseases. We use curry powder. Curry powder contain local medicinal substances. These are need to keep good health in our body. We use curry leaves to prepare dal curry. The curry leaves are contain local natural and phenolic substance natural and phenolic substances. These are keep help to keep good health in our body. Okay, let's talk about nutrition value in soya meat develop. Mainly soya meat contain protein. That proteins need to keep good health in our body. When to prepare soya meat develop, today use tomato. Mainly tomato contain vitamin, minerals. These are help to keep good health in our body. When to prepare soya meat, they will use same spices in dal curry. Therefore, dal curry means dal curry had medicinal value contain same as soya meat devil. Okay, let's talk about nutritional value in radish curry. Radish contain mainly water, vitamin, protein, and minerals because of it is vegetables. When to prepare radish curry, we use jackfruit seed. Jackfruit seed mainly contain more amount of protein essential to keep good health in our body. As previous I tell users to prepare curry spices. Similar medicine similar medicinal value contained in this radish curry, same as soya meat and dal curry. Okay, let's talk about nutritional value in Kathurumurunga leaf salad. Kathurumurunga leaves, when to consider Kathurumurunga salad sub dish, it is natural and more organic because of organic. Any chemical fertilizer never used to grow up this plant. Therefore, many valuable nutritional substances and also protein, vitamin, minerals, and plant fiber mainly contained in Kathurumurunga salad. These are help to keep good health in our body. Mainly plant fiber help to keep good health in gastro-digestive system in our body. Okay, let's talk about nutrition value in chicken egg omelette. Mainly it is contain protein, that protein and protein groups several contain in egg omelette. These protein groups are essential to keep good health in our body. Okay, guys, I think you enjoyed today my lunch meal food review. I going to end today my lunch food review video session, and I wish to meet you again another good food review session to you. Okay, goodbye and have a nice day.
I am truly grateful to my fan base for joining my YouTube channel.